Hi! If you've ever been mortified because you couldn't remember someone's name, I've got some language tricks which might help to avoid that embarrassment for you next time. One of these language tricks is called meet and repeat. When you meet someone, repeat their name to yourself silently 3 times. So if you met me, you would say Sue, 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 quietly to yourself, not saying anything. And then when you start having a conversation with them, use their name once, maybe twice in the sentences as you're starting to talk to them, so that will cement their name in your mind. Another really fun language trick, which I use pretty often, is called alliteration. It's when you use the first letter of their name and combine it with another word. So if I met someone named Linda, I might think, ah, lovely Linda. Or if I met someone named Patty, I'd say, there's perfect Patty. That again really helps to lock their name in your mind. Another fun one that I use pretty often is called rhymes. If I met someone named Mary, I'd say Mary, not contrary, because she's such a nice person. Or if I met someone named Dan, I'd think, Dan the man. I hope these language tricks help you too.